July. Good work. Hello. Hello, me. Here I am. Cool. Just quickly, well, doesn't matter. Yeah, I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't review yesterday. Sorry, the day before's, because I overtraded. Need to get back to basics. Learn to take a loss. Like my first three trades were fine. Like lost one, made back two, so I was flat. But then I was thinking, well, if I'm flat, I might as well like go again. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm flat, like right. So then obviously I traded, lost. So now I'm on the back foot, and I'm in a really, now I'm constantly chasing that. So that was silly. If I'd have just walked away there, I would have been fine. But so I did an extra trade. I lost it. So then I fucking bought that. And again, I'm going against the tide here. Obviously, I'm not aware of that just yet. I kind of see it, but problem is we cleared this liquidity, so we're obviously coming down here. I should have known that. Anyway, I'm keep going against the strength again. 1, 2. That was just like too tight. So anyway, I lost one. I then cut early, lost another one. So once we got down here, I just like put on a risk 2.5%, and God, luckily it cleared the stops and shot up and just like saved me. But it doesn't matter. Like that was really bad. So anyway, yesterday, I just got back to basics. I did overtrade because I only want to trade 3 trades, but I knew that this, wasn't over, as it were. So I kept my discipline. So it's still a good day. But anyway, before that, I want to show you a couple of things. I've started this, and I recommend anyone doing it, is that I notice I have the same errors, every day, most days. So what I've done is create abbreviations for each of my common mistakes. And then at the end of the week, I can tally up and see, how many of which error I'm doing the most and therefore needs my attention the most. So, the main one being going against strength, then, too eager, not confirmed, very much. Cut early, when I'm in the trade and I get nervous, that happens a lot. Wider stop, like often I try to keep my stops really tight, so my profit's really tight and easy to hit. But because of that, I get stopped out more often than not. So and it means I'm getting, my trades are happening quicker, which means I'm then in a position where I'm gonna overtrade, because it's like 15 minutes into my session, I've done 3 trades, so they've all got stopped out. So you don't want that wider stop. I can sit and relax a bit more, just have a bit more of a head on me. And then NN is no notes, justified trade. So obviously I'll tally that as well. We can see how that goes. Anyway, that's one thing. And one other thing quickly is I've actually withdrawn £50 from the bank. And I've just got it in my trading journal. So I've got like my checklist, and then my journal that I go through my checklist before my session. I'll then just remind myself that every time I click, I'm risking 50 quid. It's the same as going, there you go, I'm in, So just to give it a bit more reality. I don't want it to affect, for me to like get nerves or anything, but it's just to be a bit more aware when you're clicking that button. It's so easy, just that. Do you know what I mean? It's so easy. You could just go through thousands. You just fucking clicking away. It's stupid. So we'll see. I think that should help. Anyway, yesterday, good day. So yeah, this trade completely justified, because look, we're obviously bullish in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. We had this lovely imbalance here. When it came down here, obviously it stagnated. We got this like matching candle. So I and then bought in here, which was just a bit too early, but it was the right place. My stop loss was fine. It just, autumn, it just went straight down, didn't work out. Fine. But I was monitoring this rising support. So once we came down here, got this massive wick and effectively a hammer, kind of a doji, really, a very long doji. I thought that's at my level. It's sort of 2 levels of confirmation, fine. So I went in, and then we got all these wicks, and then it pushed up and pulled down. Then this bullish engulfing. It's like I was at, like, I thought, brilliant, we're in this. So that's when I pulled up my stop loss. But then on the 5-minute, this was a big bearish engulfing, and I think I realized actually we've turned here because we've made this low under here. And yeah, I could just sense we were turning. So I cut short here, made a little 0.5R, fine. Pulled down. So now we are bearish, definitely bearish. So that's good. I just got tripped in too early on this. It was, in fact, the entry should be here. Yeah, because of this wick and this bearish candle. I thought, right, that's it, we're coming down now, because we'd obviously come hit this fair value gap. Anyway, didn't work. But then we got this shooting star. My price was up here, but I've done that so many times where it's not always going to go all the way up, and this price has been painted. So anyway, that's when I put my 4th trade, because I could, what's the word, not sense. I just thought there was definitely a high probability of this happening. And then once it just clunks down, we were fine. So yeah, so overall, actually, so -1 to 0.5R, but I had done a sneaky trade in the morning. So my overall result was 1.2% for the day. And yeah, and I'm like, a great day. Like, yeah, just small infractions, but fine, completely manageable, completely aware, well disciplined. I did do that extra trade, but I think in trading you need a slight amount of flexibility, because if you're too rigid, you will wind yourself up. You know what I mean? You need to be happy, confident, not loose, not, it's like everything. It's shades of grey, not militant and regimented. I mean, you can be if that's your style, but maybe my style is just, I have my rules, but I need to work within them. And anyway, I definitely, it doesn't mean I can be doing this, not this, wherever it was. Yeah, this, where I was just chasing my tail, then ended up over trading, effectively sort of martingale, just like doubling down to make it quickly back, revenge trading. This was a really bad day, and I need, these days do happen. So anyway, better, if I'd have lost that, would I have just carried on and then started revenge trading? That's the problem. If I still, am I just justifying it? Now I've got your attention. Am I just justifying it? Yes. And it paid off, so it validates my justification, but really it's not right. I should have stuck to 3 trades, which is -1, 0.5, -1, so I would have been down 1.5. But then what? And then just watch that drop, and yeah, this is it. You can't beat yourself up about it. This trade was completely within my rules. I've set this parameter of 3 trades only, but like, do you know what? Only I know in my soul that this was a good day. I traded well. I didn't go mental. So I'll say it's fine. I'm allowed. It's like everything. I'm allowed mulligans if you play golf. You're allowed the occasional leniency to get the job done. Cool. But it's occasional. So today, really, I just want to make 3 trades, and I want to just be able to walk away in the red, because we haven't had a red day now in fucking ages, and it makes me nervous. Just need to learn to eat my red days, because my overall system works. So even if this was like minus 1.5R, which is 1.5, would have been 0.75%. Whoop. Just walk away. You're on the right path. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll get back to 3 trades. Okay. Thank you. Cheers. Comment, subscribe, something. Bye.